Alright everybody, I got this Craftsman 8 horsepower snowblower. Can't show you too much because I got it tipped up. Had it out the other day and it stopped driving. Happened a little last week, but I was able to get it going by bumping it a little bit, like with my hip, and it would engage. So I looked up those issues, and everybody was talking about a belt and some kind of clutch drive. But here's what I got. I got it up. I drained the gas. I picked up that cool little pump down there that worked like a charm. I'll put a link maybe if I can find it. It worked really well. So here is what I found. Here's, I guess, there's no belts, as you can see. The way this thing works is when you change speeds, this wheel right here slides back and forth to a different part on the disc, which makes it go. And when you engage the drive, that pulls up and starts to spin this thing. And everything I looked up talked about all these clutches and interior clutches and all kinds of stuff. But anyway, when I opened it up, here's what I found. Got broke in half, and it goes right in there in that hole, and that's the problem. $1 fix. Just, you know, I had to take the back plate off, but there's I think four bolts that hold that on, and I pop right off, and I'm going to put the bolt in and save me from loading it up and bringing it somewhere or having somebody come here. Of course, it crapped out halfway through a very large snowstorm. Not super large, but I definitely needed a snowblower. It never fails. So I'm going to put it back together, and it should fire up and go. So there you go. A quick my snowblower won't go into gear fix.